Hello friends, this is San from Isan's Digital Line and today I'm here with a video on iPhone SE2 unboxing. So let's get started. So this is the Flipkart packaging. I've ordered this from Flipkart for 33,000 rupees. You can also buy this from the link given in the description down below. So let's unbox this. This is the bill and this is the iPhone box. You can see on this side is written iPhone and this is the iPhone logo. And this is the iPhone SE2. So on the back side is written 64GB variant and it includes iPhone SE earpods with lightning connector, lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter, and it supports GSM, UMTS and LTE cellular technologies, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS. Some capabilities are not available in all areas and depend on your wireless plan and service provider network. For LTE, see apple.com iPhone LTE. And it is manufactured and marketed by Apple India Private Limited and capacity 64GB and maximum retail price is 42,500, but you will get this for the discounted price of 33,000 rupees on Amazon. And this is the white color variant. So let's unbox this. So here is written designed by Apple in California. Here is written welcome to iPhone. These are the instructions and this is the SIM ejector pin, and these are the informations about the iPhone, and this is the screen guard, and this is the iPhone SE2. You can see it is white color. Let's keep this aside and let's see the other things. This is the Apple AirPod and this is the adapter, and this is the USB Type-C cable. You can see. So let's see the iPhone. So on the back side you can see this is the Apple logo and it's a white color, and this is the single camera and this is the flash, and this is the power on off button, and this is the SIM tray, and this is the volume button, and this is the silent mode button, and this is the Type-C connector. You can charge your phone from this, and these are the two speakers. So let's boot this. So you can see it is booting. This is the Apple logo. So it's written hello, press home to open. So you have to select English. You have to select your country. I will select India. You can see I have selected India. It is setting language. Is written quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So I don't have any iPhone, so I have to set up manually. After that you have to click continue and you have to choose a Wi-Fi network. So I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi. So you can see it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. So you can see here is written data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. So yeah, you have to click continue and you have to click continue. Now you have to place your finger over here on the home button. So they are trying to adjust the grip. Keep going to capture the edges of your print. So now it's completed. Touch ID ready. Your print can be used for unlocking your iPhone. Now you have to click continue and you have to create a passcode. So let me create a passcode. So I have created my passcode. Now it's written apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this phone. So and to move data from Android. So let me click here. Now you have to click on continue. You have to enter this code on your Android device to move your data. So, and don't want to transfer apps and data, so I have to click don't transfer apps and data. And now we have to sign it with our Apple ID to use iCloud. So I don't have an Apple ID, so I have to create a free Apple ID from here. So here I have to enter my name. So let me enter it. You have to enter your date of birth over here. And after that you have to click on next. And they are asking, would you like to use your phone number or an email address to create an Apple ID? So I want to use my phone number. So let me enter my phone number over here. And you can also stay up to date with Apple news on this phone number. So you have to enable this from here, and after that you have to click on next. After that they will send a verification code on your number. You have to enter that over here. So let me enter it. And after that you have to create a password for your Apple ID. So let me create it. So now I have to click on next. And now you have to read your terms and condition. So, and after that you have to click on agree. So now it's written express settings. You can use the settings below or customize them individually. You have to allow maps and other apps and services like Find My to gather and use data indicating your location. Here you have to click on continue. And here it and keep your iPhone up to date. You will receive a notification before updates are installed and can choose other options in settings. So you have to click on continue. And I set an iCloud keychain. Keep the passwords and credit card information you save secure and up to date on the devices you approve. The information in your keychain is encrypted and cannot be read by Apple. So here you have to click on continue. So this is Siri. Siri helps you get things done just by asking. So here you have to click on continue. You have to say, hey Siri. And you can press and hold the home button to talk to Siri anytime. And you can improve Siri and dictation. You can share audio recordings, but I'll share it afterwards. So you have to click on not now. And get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set time limits for apps you want to manage. You can also use screen time on children's devices and set up parental controls. So you can click on continue. And this is app analytics. You can share app analytics with app developers. And this is two-tone display. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. You can change this later in display and brightness settings. And this is appearance. Select a light or dark appearance and see how iOS adjusts depending on which one you choose. So I will select light and you can click on continue. And this is the home button haptic. You can choose how the home button feels when you press it. Select an option below and press the home button to try it out. I'll select this second one and I'll click on continue. Choose how you would like to view iPhone. Zoom shows larger text and control. Standard fits more on screen. You can change this at any time in settings. So I'll choose standard and click on continue, and they are saying welcome to iPhone, get started. So this is the iPhone's home screen. You can see this is the app library. You can see all your apps over here, and these are the pre-installed apps. So you can on your Wi-Fi from here. You can on off your Wi-Fi from here. You can on Bluetooth, and this is the brightness setting. This is the volume control, and you can play and pause music from here. You can mirror your screen from here, and this is the torch. You can see this torch is very bright, and this is the camera, calculator, timer, and this is the QR code scanner. So this was the iPhone SE 2. Now let's see the other accessories given with the iPhone SE. So this is the AirPods, and this is wide one. You can see this is the Type C AirPod, and these are the two speakers, and this is the Type C cable. You can see, and this is the Apple adapter, and it is designed by Apple in California. So this was the unboxing of iPhone SE2. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my videos first. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they also get all my interesting videos. I'll also upload a iPhone SE2 review on my channel after a few days, so stay tuned to my channel.